Good morning. It is 6:15 a.m. and I'm about to make breakfast. I set my alarm for 7 a.m. That didn't work out. That is when my body wanted to wake me up, so I woke up. I'm gonna make eggs on an English muffin for breakfast. This is usually what I eat if I'm not having my protein oats. So I'm really hungry, so let's make something to eat. My breakfast, I decided to do one egg on an English muffin and then the other one peanut butter and banana because I realized I'm not as hungry as I thought I was. But I wanted something sweet and savory. So good. We're just unlocking all different types of angles in this video. But I just showered, as you can tell by my turban, and it's officially sweatshirt weather because I'm just loving this sweatshirt. But I'm gonna make my coffee and do some computer work. I have been loving using the Nut Pods Pumpkin Spice Creamer. Not sponsored, but it really is September. It really is time to just dial in all of the fall flavors. So this has been my obsession. I pair this with almond milk. Find that a lot of dairy in the morning doesn't do well in my stomach, and oat milk is just a little heavy. So I like to do almond milk, and then I sweeten with maple syrup. This is unsweetened and it's really not that sweet, so I like to sweeten with this. This has less sugar content, like it's less concentrated than honey. And it's not granulated sugar, so a little bit better. And there's more vitamins, minerals, maple syrup than regular sugars. We're gonna make our coffee, cozy up, and get some computer work done. I just got back from my dentist appointment and I am so hungry. I'm not quite ready for lunch, but I want some protein. I just want a snack to hold me over for a little bit, and I'm just craving a protein shake. So my favorite protein powder is from Legion. You can use my code Taavi for 10% off. I just want to do a chocolate flavor, so I'm using their Dutch chocolate. And then I'm just going to do some almond milk and some ice and a little bit of flaky sea salt, and then top it with some protein cereal. Really easy, just a couple ingredients. I'm just really craving it. I'm gonna do some more computer work, get some stuff done. But yeah, I'm really feeling all the vibes today in my sweatshirt. I'm really loving it. This is it. It is now almost 5 o'clock and I am headed to Pilates. Every Thursday I take a hot mat Pilates class and I look forward to it every week. It is just such a fun, different way of moving my body. So I have a little pre-workout snack. It's just a rice cake with some PB2 and a little bit of honey and some flaky sea salt. Just a little quick digesting carbs before my workout. This is the workout fit. I am wearing an Owner Active shirt that I'll probably take off because I sweat so much during Pilates. And then these are Owner Active workout shorts. And then I have an Owner Active workout bra. Just all Owner Active because it's great. I'm gonna eat this snack and then we're gonna head to Pilates. Officially winding down for the night. And I have my nightly bowl of cereal. This has been my new hyperfixation. It's so delicious. I just add a combination of protein cereals, almond milk, and blueberries. Hits the spot. I am gonna watch The Summer I Turned Pretty, have my cereal, and call it a night. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos, and I'll see you later.